Hello, good morning, after the mass. We are cooking lamb stew. Let's see. Natin sa There you go. This is the lamb stew with carrots and potatoes and red pepper. It is sauteed and it was being boiled for about 2 hours and sauteed with onion, garlic, and the meat, and put the tomato sauce and the soy sauce. So this is the product. So this is the
Lamb.
so tender.
Is he the one
Melts
who
in
won?
your mouth.
Last year he won.
So they are the one who's eating now. We finished already.
Our first bite. Let's see. It melts in your mouth. Wow.
Melts in your mouth.
It's so good. Wow, delicious, mother.
I think I'm
We are eating the lunch now. Look at the lunch.
Sabi mo comfortable mo, boy lang bisalang mag paratang